Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this longer practice, we'll use our breath as a point of focus, turning inward and reconnecting with a sense of calm and ease. Begin by settling into a comfortable position. Let your seat root down into your cushion or chair, and gently lengthen your spine all the way through the crown of your head. As you sit up tall, stay alert without creating tension in your body. Let your shoulders soften gently and rest your hands in your lap. And if you haven't yet, slowly close your eyes. Now, take a couple of deep, expansive breaths, giving yourself permission to fully land in your practice. And now, let your breath find its way back to a natural rhythm. No need to shape or control your breathing in any way. Just allow the instinctive ebb and flow of your breath to move freely. And now, tune into your breath as it passes through your nostrils. Noticing the cool air entering your body through the opening of your nose, and the warm air landing softly on your upper lip as you exhale. And for the next few moments, stay present with the cool breath moving in and the warm breath moving out. And when thoughts come up or you catch yourself distracted, softly bring your attention back to your nostrils. And do so with a sense of ease and softness, letting your attention be as light as a feather as it lands on the breath, moving in and out of your nose. Now, direct your awareness to your chest and become aware of your breath moving there. Feel the chest gently rise on your inhale and softly settle as you breathe out. Chest rises and expands as you breathe in. Chest settles and softens as you breathe out. And for the next few moments, let your attention rest on the movement of your breath there. And again, when distraction comes, be gentle and loving with yourself as you guide your attention back to the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. Now, slowly shift your attention to your breath moving at your belly. Notice the belly expanding as you breathe in and gently contracting as you breathe out. And for the next while, rest your awareness on the belly growing and releasing with each breath. And remember that it's normal for your mind to wander or for sensations and emotions to arise. When that happens, calmly and lovingly turn your attention back to the belly expanding and releasing. And now, notice where your breath is most easily felt. Do you feel your breath more clearly as it moves at your nostrils, in your chest, or in your belly? Wherever your breath is most accessible, allow your attention to rest there. Simply follow the ebb and flow of your breath in that area with each inhale and each exhale. Our breath is always accessible. Though we are often unaware of it, we can tune into the feeling of breathing anywhere at any time. And when we do, we can use it to relax our minds, quiet our heart, and soften our body. Just by tuning into our inhales and exhales, we can create a sense of grounding and ease as we choose calmness. Just keep tapping into your breath now as it moves in and out of your body. Now, soften your attention. Notice the sounds in the room around you. Become aware of your body and space. Notice the feelings in your fingers and toes as you slowly bring small movements back in. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this practice. See you again soon.